Number 180. Kara can buy a 200-watt solar cell for $125 at website ABC, or a 300-watt solar cell for $159 at website XYZ. Which website offers the better deal in terms of cost per watt for the respective solar cell? Okay, so we got two options, website ABC and website XYZ. And we want to look at the unit rates, specifically the price per watt. So we're going to take the price or the cost and divide it by the power that the solar cell generates, the power measured in watts. So for ABC, the cost for the solar cell is $125, and that solar cell generates a power of 200 watts. By the way, a solar cell is a device that converts sunlight directly into electricity. Some people buy this to lower the cost of electricity that they pay, for their homes. If we take 125 divided by 200, this is going to be 0.625, so we need to round that to 63 cents. So the cost is 63 cents per watt. Now for company XYZ, they're offering their solar cell at $159 and it generates 300 watts of power. So 159 divided by 300, the cost per watt is 53 cents per watt. So company XYZ is offering a better deal, or website XYZ. So answer choice B is the right answer.